Physiological heat stress monitoring. Meet Melissa, a seasoned industrial safety specialist who takes pride in ensuring the well-being of workers in hazardous environments. Today, she has an important task at hand, introducing Chris, a new employee, to the concept of physiological heat stress monitoring using slate safety devices in the American Conference of Governmental Industrial Hygiene, or ACGIH, heat standard. Chris, let's talk about the significance of monitoring physiological heat stress in the workplace. In certain industries, employees are exposed to high temperatures, which can lead to heat-related illnesses or even fatalities. That's why it's crucial to have a reliable system in place to monitor and protect workers. To effectively monitor heat stress, we use slate safety devices. These state-of-the-art devices are worn by workers and measure various physiological parameters such as heart rate, body temperature, and exertion levels. This data helps us assess their heat stress levels accurately. The devices wirelessly transmit the collected data to our monitoring system in real time, enabling us to keep a close eye on workers' conditions throughout their shifts. Chris wondered, but how do we know when the heat stress becomes dangerous? The ACGIH heat standard has established guidelines to determine safe heat exposure limits. These guidelines consider factors like temperature, humidity, air movement, workload, and clothing. By comparing the physiological data collected from the slate safety devices with the ACGIH heat standard, we can identify when workers are at risk of a heat-related illness. If the readings indicate that an individual's heat strain levels are approaching or exceeding the safe limits, we can take immediate action to prevent any harm. By implementing these monitoring tools and standards with regular monitoring and prompt action, we can prevent heat-related illnesses, reduce the risks of accidents, and create a safer work environment for everyone. Slate safety devices and the ACGIH heat standard work together to keep workers safe from heat-related risks. Chris felt appreciation for the importance of physiological heat stress monitoring. With Melissa's guidance, he was confident in his ability to contribute to a safer workplace for himself and his fellow workers. And so, armed with knowledge and the right tools, Melissa and Chris set out to champion the cause of workplace safety, one heat stress-free day at a time.